सीक्रेट एयरक्राफ्ट, सीक्रेट यूनिट्स किसी भी डिफेंस फोर्सेस में इट प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. द थिंग इज everybody wants to know about it, लेकिन as per my personal opinion, some things which are supposed to be kept secret, they should be actually kept secret. Reason being is what everybody has an interest in defense field. They want to know different things, why this is happening, क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. एक होता है लोगों में जानने की इच्छा. बट एज पर मैं पर्सनल ओपिनियन, देखो कुछ चीज़ होती है जो फौज तक है ना, तो फौज तक ही रहनी चाहिए. तो गाइस प्लीज वीडियो को ध्यान से सुनना, एंड उसके बारे में आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि हम सीक्रेट यूनिट, सीक्रेट मिशन की बात करते हैं, व्हाई इट इज दैट और क्यों उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो प्लीज डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड प्लीज लिसन टू दिस वीडियो टिल देन, सो दैट एक्चुअली यू डू अंडरस्टैंड. सी, इन प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो आज के टाइम पे हमारे पास सैटेलाइट्स हैं, जिससे हमें रिकनेंस मिशन जिसकी हम बात करते हैं, टू कीप एन आई ऑन द एनिमी, इज वेरी मच फिजिबल. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रेकनेंस एयरक्राफ्ट. जो भी बड़ी बड़ी कंट्रीज हैं, डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं, दे स्टिल यूज रेकनेंस एयरक्राफ्ट. वाई? सोचना कभी कि इसको यूज क्यों किया जाता है. सो आई विल टेल यू द रीजन, बट एट द एंड, सो बिफोर दैट देयर आर सम मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच विल कवर. जैसे अमेरिका के पास में SR-71 ब्लैकबर्ड हो गया, एयरक्राफ्ट विच इज एबल टू फ्लाइट वेरी हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड्स एंड मेंटेन वेरी गुड स्पीड. रशिया की बात करें, रशिया के पास में हम बात करते हैं द एयरक्राफ्ट्स विच आर कैपेबल ऑफ स्टिल फ्लाइंग एट वेरी हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड्स एंड विच कैन कैरी आउट रिकनेंस मिशंस. हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं तो इंडिया में वी हैड MiG-25. तो मतलब दिस थिंग वाज इन मीडिया एंड एवरीवेयर. दिस एयरक्राफ्ट केम इन सम 70s or 80s in India. So some 6 aircrafts were provided to India, MiG-25. So it had some versions like BU and RU versions. So aircraft performance is the main thing. It's speed. Again, it's about engine technology, it's about airframe, it's sustainability, it's fuel consumption, and once we talk about afterburner and supersonic. सी, आज के टाइम में हम बात करते हैं इन जनरल, पीपल टॉक अबाउट कि वी नीड टू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ इंजन. एयरक्राफ्ट शुड बी एबल टू मेंटेन सुपरसोनिक स्पीड्स, बट वी हैव टू यूज आफ्टर बर्नर ऑल्सो फॉर दैट. सो एयरक्राफ्ट हैज टू सस्टेन दैट काइंड ऑफ स्पीड, दैट काइंड ऑफ ऑल्टीट्यूड. सो बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ना विच कम्स इन टू एक्शन. सो पर्सन व्हेन दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रीजन एंड why it is very difficult to make these kind of aircrafts. हम बात करते हैं speed की. So we talk about speed. So first of all, reason being is with that some amount of payload, some amount of radar, or some amount of equipment which has to be installed in an aircraft, that has to produce less drag. Aircraft has to reach to those altitudes which are generally not possible for a normal aircraft to operate it, and they can carry out these kind of recurrence missions. We used MiG-25 extensively at that point of time, and it was a pretty good aircraft which performed its function phenomenally good. बहुत सारे आपने किस्से भी सुनेंगे उसके बाद में कि लाइक समवेयर इन 95 97 एयरक्राफ्ट विच वाज फ्लाइंग ओवर पाकिस्तान एंड नोबडी इवन न्यू दैट दिस एयरक्राफ्ट इज देयर. इट वाज सीक्रेटली प्रोवाइडेड टू इंडिया बाय रशिया. So world was not aware that India is having this kind of aircraft and we are using this aircraft for reconnaissance missions. So where it was located, where this unit was situated, so वो नाम भी the unit was given as name as Trisonics because of its speed. So everything is available to you. लेकिन मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि हमने इस एयरक्राफ्ट को उस टाइम पे क्यों लिया था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एट दैट टाइम वी टुक दिस एयरक्राफ्ट बिकॉज हमारे पास में वो सैटेलाइट्स नहीं थी विच कुड गिव अस द अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी रिक्वायर्ड. दूसरी चीज, ये एयरक्राफ्ट दूसरे एयरक्राफ्ट को इंटरसेप्ट भी कर सकता था. सो व्हाट एल्स डू आई रिक्वायर इफ आई कैन गेट टू थिंग्स आउट ऑफ वन प्लेन. सो इट गेव मी रिकनेंस ऑल्सो, इट कैन डू एयर फाइट ऑल्सो. सो it was a threat because of its height, because of its speed. No other aircraft could match it. So F-16s Pakistan used to have, so they launched F-16s also, but what they can do, nothing. So this aircraft used to fly. उसके बाद में supersonic speed पे when aircraft used to come, so they openly actually told that we are there, what do you want to do, you do. So it was that kind of situation. But over a period of time, so if we'll see somewhere in last 10-15 years, we have got satellites, pretty good satellites which can tell you all the information whatever you require. They can take photograph, they can do recordings, and they can provide you the vital information which is required in today's scenario. But why do we need reconnaissance aircraft till now? Why we talk about it? So the secret units and the secret aircraft. So something which I told that supposed to be secret is supposed to be kept in that way, and the media should also refrain from this factor. Still they are trying to tell, no, we want to educate people. Okay, yeah, that is good enough to educate people, but some secrets which are supposed to be secret, it should be kept secret, as per my personal opinion also. So these aircrafts are required. Reason being is what? आप बात करते हैं कि सैटेलाइट. सो इन टुडे सिनेरियो वी नो सैटेलाइट टाइम हमें पता चल जाता है कि विच ऑल सैटेलाइट्स आर देयर इन द एयर. वी आल्सो नाउ राइट नाउ इंडिया डोंट यूज reconnaissance aircraft much, but other countries are still using it. Why they are using it? We need to think in those terms also. हमारे पास satellites हैं, they can give us pretty good information which is required in today's scenario. But reconnaissance aircrafts, or we should say, you can say that it's a secret unit or whatever it is. I don't know whether it is there or not, but people, they are still do talk about it, like we have MiG-31s from Russia, which is a secret unit. India, this and that. So maybe, might not be, and if it is there, I then personally should say that it is very good that it is there. Every country should have. And if I'm talking about my country, then definitely my country should have. Reason being, first of all, satellites, if you know our satellite timing, then the way we did nuclear experiment long back, so same way अगर हमें किसी satellite का time पता है, तो at that time we can stop our activities, and once we know that at this point of time satellite is not there, then we can start our work. So same way, now we have those aircrafts which can fly at supersonic speeds, Mach 2, Mach 3 and all. And when we know that our satellite is not there and the enemy is into that picture, and he's having this thing in his mind that, okay, that satellite is not there right now, I can do my work. So that is the time when we have those satellite gaps. In those gaps we can send these aircrafts, and then they can do the reconnaissance for us. And that time period which is lagging in between, wherein some crucial information can be missed, that will not be missed, and we have the data the way do we require it. Plus enemy doesn't know that we are there. Later on, aircraft's capability, it has to be kept secret. I think personally, if it is there, it has to be kept secret, so that generally people are not aware, because there are so many agencies who are trying to find out about other country, how they are operating, what kind of aircraft they have, what are its capabilities. So these things should be kept secret. And foremost and main thing is, if India is having, I would say that good like India, we should have it. And we need to procure some more, because right now, as per the situation is going on, so we can cover all the fronts of because of their high altitudes, we can be inside our boundaries, and we can still keep an eye on the enemy, and can find out what what they are doing, and what the situation right at present right now, what is the situation on the ground. So you can get a live image of the situation, so they can transmit it, and the situation, like ground party, can get to know about the situation very well. Somebody who is sitting far behind, still they know what is going on, what is going around. So guys, this is my personal opinion. And talking about MiG-25 units, yes, it was there, and they performed excellently in their work. The function was phenomenal. I was lucky that I have seen that aircraft. Pretty huge engines, and I'll say that mighty Russian. Good aircraft, served India pretty well. But India right now is lacking a reconnaissance aircraft of that caliber. So India should go and look into this field and try and develop. That's why we are talking about engines. So that's why engines are so much of importance, and so much of functions, technologies which are there, which are involved in developing an engine. So we should take that into consideration. And as my personal opinion, India should go for a reconnaissance aircraft. So guys, I'll keep telling you about some more important facts and how things are moving. So stay tuned, do like and subscribe, and tell to others also, so that they also get benefited by all the information that I provide to you. And it's a collective information which I get from the internet, and plus I do read myself from various sources, so which helps us out to understand. So guys, till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.